Hello, this is Ziggy. Today I would like to introduce our new tool, Zistemo Proposal, an easy-to-use web application for creating and managing digital and interactive quotes and business proposals. We developed it since many of our users ask about to have a tool that create outstanding proposals and quotes to wow their clients with an offer that really grabs the client's attention. It's all about leaving a positive fragrance and winning the deals where the real big money is. So what does it mean, a digital and interactive proposal? From our point of view, it's a simple web page where the user is able to explain his company, his team, qualifications, and an interactive pricing table where the client can choose options and quantities. Finally, the client should be able to accept the quote, sign it electronically, and receive an order confirmation document as PDF for his records. One important thing for the sandbox first is how to navigate and how to go back to the main applications. Here on the three lines icons, you go into the menu and go back to the main applications. Basically, the user can use or edit one of many prepared templates, but let's start from the scratch. Our biggest fear was that users would be overwhelmed with the design, since not all people have strong web design skills. There are many pitfalls, for example, the color scheme and font combinations. We strongly believe that we had found a solution that helps users with predefined colors and fonts, but it's still easy to customize to users' needs. I'm going to explain it later in more detail. When you create a new proposal, you must give the proposal a name and select a recipient, since each document is connected to a recipient. So let's add some sections and content to our proposal. When we add a splash, you can use free images from Unsplash, free videos from Pexels, or just your own uploaded images. I want to use an image with waves. And so waves, and I select this image. Voila, here it is. Now I add a text section, add some content, give it a headline, and add some bullet points here. It's so easy to use a different color, for example, here with the bullet points. Select, that's all. Now I add a video section. Let's go to the free video library and let's look for a wave video. And here I select this one and here it is. Isn't it easy? You can add a text, and for a better readability, we make the background for the editor visible. Okay, here are some basics. The proposal is divided into sections. Each section has its own settings that allow the user to move it up or down, remove it, or save it to his own section library. Sections from the library can be used in other proposals, sections like terms and conditions or our team, but it can be used for any content creativity. Each section also has some design settings like section height and width, text alignment, and size. The text can be changed and customized anytime. Simply select the text and the editor menu bar opens to offer you text formatting and colors. As mentioned, for the design, we add some artificial intelligence to help the users to design a professional business proposal. That's why we place the quick color changer on the right side, which allows the user to select a color from 10 predefined color themes. If the user needs a customization for a specific color, he can simply change any color element. You can use or define a different color palette, perhaps with your own branding colors. Zistemo then creates 10 color themes for you to choose from. You can play with them a bit and you can't mess up anything. So far so good, but now let's go to the important sections for business quotes and estimates, the pricing section. For a better overview, you can add as many price tables as you want to group items or services and display the subtotal for this group. Price tables can be easily rearranged or deleted. Add items and services on the fly or load them from your product list. It is so easy to reorder line items or manage the settings. If you mark a line item optional, the recipient can select and order it or deselect and remove it from your quote. It's basically the same with choices. Choices means that you can order this or that. So packages like basic cleaning or special cleaning or premium cleaning. While optional items are always ordered on the top to create your individual package. Line items discounts can be added as percentage or value, as well as allowing the customer to enter his own quantity for a line item. Finally, if you wish, you can add a discount as a value or percentage to the total price. That is the pricing section, easy to manage and flexible to meet your needs. The next is the accept sections where the recipient can agree and sign the proposal. Each offer is customized by placeholders, so if you send the same offer to different customers, the placeholder will be filled with the respective customer data. With the preview button, you can always see what the customer will see in the end, so no surprises. The recipients of the document are managed via the share button. First, activate the proposal and give the current version a name. Then, click on the share button. Select or keep the customer and personalize the document. You can select more than one recipient or add another person as a recipient. Select the main recipient and specify who has to sign. Each recipient gets a unique link and the order in which the document should be signed can be also specified. Insert the email subject and body and send. That's it. A note about the document status. If the document is active, you cannot make changes because you are currently waiting for approval. So if you deactivate the document, you can do your changes, but the customer cannot approve since the status is not active. We have added a version history, and each time the document is activated, a snapshot of the document is created that you can recall at any time. So I think that's just only for the introduction, and I wish you a happy time with our new proposal tool. This was Siggy.